branding your TikTok profile for business. Hey there, friends. You joined TikTok, you learned to navigate it, and you also switched to a pro account to make the most out of TikTok marketing. There's only one thing left to do before you actually start running your marketing campaigns on the platform, and that is to brand your TikTok profile for business. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to customize your pro TikTok profile in a way that will increase your brand's exposure for potential customers in your niche, step by step, the right way. Getting started. Let's start on the home screen. Tap on the Me shortcut icon to go to your profile screen. Once there, tap on the Edit Profile button. When editing a TikTok profile, you'll have the options to customize the profile photo, the profile video, the name, username, bio, and links to profiles and other social platforms. Customizing the profile. Let's start by customizing the profile photo. Tap on the Change Photo icon. You can tap on Take a Photo to shoot a pic to upload, or on Select from Gallery to upload your new profile picture from your device's media gallery. In this case, we're going to tap on Select from Gallery to upload the profile image from the gallery. Before you upload the image, make sure that it is attention-grabbing, that it relates to your audience and niche, and that it reflects the values of your target customers. Okay, let's now customize the profile video. Tap on the Change Video icon. Next, select the video from your device's gallery and tap on it to upload it to your profile. On the next screen, drag the video frames in the bottom of the screen to use a 6-second segment for your profile. Then tap on Save. Let's now customize the profile name. First, tap on the Name tab. Now enter the name of your brand or business into the name field and then tap on Save. Now the username. Tap on the Username tab. Next, enter your new username into the username field. Here, we recommend you to enter the same username that you use on your other social media channels. Usernames can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. You can tap on Save when you are done composing the username. Let's now tap on the Bio tab to add a description to your profile. Use the Bio field on the following screen to enter a brief description of your brand or business. It is highly recommended that you include hashtags as keywords in the description to make it easier for users to find your profile when looking for content in your target niche. You can tap on Save after you finish. Adding more social profiles to your TikTok profile. Okay, now it is time to add the final touches by adding your branded Instagram and YouTube profiles to your branded TikTok profile. First, tap on the Instagram tab. This will open the Instagram sign-in screen. Enter your Instagram sign-in info here. Tap on the Login button and confirm to allow TikTok access to your Instagram profile. To add your branded YouTube profile, tap on the YouTube tab. You will be prompted to log in with your Google account. Select the account with which you'll sign in with, enter your sign-in information if prompted to, review the permissions on the following page, and then tap on Allow. And that is it. As you can see, customizing a TikTok profile for your business is easy if you follow these steps. Next up, we'll be showing you how to create your first TikTok marketing video. So get ready.